How to upgrade your backyard patio design. Beautiful weather is here, which makes it the perfect time to upgrade your backyard patio design. Your outdoor living area should be your oasis, a place to relax and enjoy with friends and family. And the perfect patio integrates seamlessly into your design. Whether you want a relaxing area with shade options or an outdoor kitchen for hosting, your patio should reflect your lifestyle. Let's go over a few of our favorite additions and stylistic options for your backyard patio design that we think you and your family will love for years to come. 1. Outdoor kitchen. Great for cooking, an outdoor kitchen can range from a simple built-in grill to a fully functioning kitchen. 2. Stone walls. Add elegance and function to your space and protect your patio from water runoff. 3. Walkways. They tie all elements of your home and outdoor space together, making it more welcoming. 4. Flagstone. The beauty and longevity of natural stone are unmatched. It brings a classic and quality look to your outdoor space. 5. Pergola. Perfect for staying in the shade on warmer days, especially useful in outdoor kitchen environments. Your pergola can be custom built to fit any size patio or outdoor space too. 6. Fire feature. Level up your summer evenings with a built-in fire pit or an outdoor fireplace. Finally, add something that makes your patio design pop. Consider built-in outdoor lighting, string lights, outdoor rugs, matching furniture, and potted plants. If you're unsure about your patio needs, reach out to our design experts. We can help you take your outdoor living space to the next level.